The name of this story is The Boat Ride. You should have a sheet of paper with the story on the front side, and if you turn your paper over, you should have questions relative to the story on the back. We will cover those questions later. Let's read the story together. The Boat Ride. One summer afternoon, Jimmy, Carol, Sally, and their father climbed into a rowboat. Sally also brought her teddy bear, Timmy. As they were pushing off from the dock, Penny, their dog, climbed on board. She wanted to go for a boat ride too. While they were rowing around the pond, Sally forgot she was holding Timmy, her teddy bear, over the edge of the boat. Sally accidentally dropped Timmy in the water. Lucky for Sally, Penny saw Timmy fall in the water. Penny quickly jumped in the water to save the little teddy bear. Penny is a good swimmer and brought the teddy bear back to Sally. Father leaned over the side of the boat and pulled Penny in, with Timmy in her mouth. Penny then stood in the middle of the boat and shook until the water was off her fur. Water went everywhere. Penny made sure everyone was wet. Penny was a hero that day for saving Timmy, the teddy bear. If you turn your paper over, what we will do is read the questions together. Then I will go over the answers with you. Make sure you circle the correct answer. Also, please place your name where it says your name. Print it clearly. Question number 1. What type of boat were they riding in? A. Sailboat. B. A rowboat. C. A canoe. Circle the correct answer. Question 2. What was the name of the dog? A. Sally. B. Timmy. C. Penny. Circle the correct answer. Question 3. Who fell in the water? A. Carol. B. Father. C. Timmy. Circle the correct answer. Question 4. Number the events in the order that they happened. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me read them to you. A. Penny jumped in the water. Is that a 1, 2, 3, or 4? B. Penny shook to dry off. C. Timmy fell overboard. And D. Pushed off from the dock. Place a 1, 2, 3, and 4 where you think the events occurred. Your teacher can hit pause here while you do that. And what they can also do is read the question below. Number 5, write below and tell what you enjoyed most about this story and why. So write in the space provided what you enjoyed most about this story and why.